This video will cover permit running and how it can help you earn additional income as a notary. Permit runners can earn at least $150 per permit request. And as a notary, you can charge your notarial and travel fees for additional revenue. Permit running is a service where you help someone else obtain the necessary permits and approvals from government agencies or other organizations in order to start a particular project or business. Some examples of what would require a permit request are home or office renovations, fixing sidewalks, driveways, and more. Permit requests will need to be notarized to show that the person or company requesting the permit is who they say they are. When you receive a permit request, it's your responsibility to make sure the documents are complete and taken to the City Hall or Building and Zone Department to be processed and approved. Here's a breakdown of fees you can charge per appointment. Your fees can start at $150 per request, plus a notarial fee allowed by your state, and a travel fee as agreed upon by you and your client. That's $150 to $200 per client. Permit running is a great way to diversify your notary business and increase your income. To learn more about permit running and ways to make money as a permit runner, click the link below.